In this short video tutorial, we will be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. The first method is by performing the factory reset from your watch settings. Click the watch settings icon. Swipe to and tap General. Swipe to and tap Reset. Tap Reset. The second method is by using the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected phone, then tap Watch Settings. Tap Generals. Tap Reset. Tap Reset again to confirm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.